Right, today's Wednesday, I think it's the 13th of October 2021. Yesterday was a busy day for me doing DIY up in the bedroom, our bedroom that is. I've done some painting, painted ceilings, coving, 2 walls. Today I'm going to be doing some wallpapering. Very exciting, but there we go, has to be done. This is some wallpaper paste which I've had left over from about a year ago, so I'm hoping that it's going to be okay. I don't know if there's a sell-by date on these things at all. Roughly about 8 pints of water there. Kind of pour it in and give it a stir and see how we go with that. There we go. Look how smooth that is. That is perfect. I've had this thing nigh on 25-30 years. It's still good today as it was back then when I first bought it. In fact, I can't remember buying it. So we're part of the way through putting the wallpaper up. It's kind of going up all right. I think I've made a blazing error, mind. I fiddled and messed about for about 10 minutes trying to find a pattern to the wallpaper, and I just could not find it. So then I thought to myself, well, perhaps there isn't a pattern to the wallpaper.
This could very well be the stupidest person on the face of the earth.
So I stuck it up, not matching it up. Then I went to put the next one up, which is this one here, and it matches up. There is a pattern to it.
Perhaps we should shoot him.
So I don't want to be taking the other bit of wallpaper down. Oh dear. The wife's going to know, isn't she? I'm not going to get away with it, am I? I'm just going to carry on. I'm just trying to make some kind of an excuse. Oh man. What a carry on, eh? What a carry on. Right, is that the right way? Has it got to go the other way up? Right, hang on a sec. I need to flip it over, don't I? Here, oh dear. It's a good job I don't do this for a living. I think I'll be out of business in no time at all. Oh, look at that. Ripped it there. Yeah, there is a bit of a pattern to it, as you can see. There is a bit of a pattern to it. It's kind of matching up in places. That one there isn't. Kind of is a little bit, but I might get away with it. I don't know, I'll try and make some excuse up, I think. Oh dear, that's not my favourite job, to be doing paper hanging. But it's an essential job if you want your house to look nice. You know, I can stand back in a while and look at my my handiwork. I know there's a bit of a mistake on that one there. It's a blazing mistake actually. But the only people who are going to come in here are just myself and my wife, and I can live with it. You don't spend a lot of time awake in your bedroom, do you? And as if I'm not going to be looking at it for long. Hardly going to notice it, to be honest. And hey, look, you know, if you're worried about that not quite matching up, then I'm afraid, you know, there's far more worse things to be concerned about than a bit of wallpaper not in the right place. There we go. Ta-da! Right, I've done it, finished, pretty much. I mean, it's an okay kind of a job, to be honest. I think the wife should be quite okay with it. I made a cock up on this one here. You can see where it's not quite matched in with the other one. They're all matched in. It flows from there on, but this one here, when you stand back, you can't see it. If I was to tell you that you know, I made a mistake and that's what it is, you then probably see it if you look closely enough. bet if I didn't say anything you wouldn't notice it, because it's quite busy, you know. But I think it's all right. I don't think the wife's going to twig. I hope she doesn't, otherwise she might say, right, take it down, do it again, and that'll just be a pain in the backside, that would be. But I think I've done an okay kind of a job. I think it's all right. Work's done for the day. Regarding DIY, I'm now going to go out and take the dog out for a walk. I think I'm going to go to a place called Alton Barnes. I've been there for a while. I did go there a few years ago and I absolutely loved it. I've got my drone with me so we can get some really good drone footage. There is an old white horse up there. There's quite a few around this area, around the Berkshire Downs. Most famous one obviously is Uffington White Horse. That's probably for another day. I just want to go somewhere else at the moment. Anyway, so DIY's been done. I think I've done an okay job of that. What do you reckon? All right, marks out of 10, 7, 8. I'll be happy with that. Anyway, so we're going to go out to Alton Barnes, which is the other side of Marlborough, and just have a walk really, and just enjoy the countryside. It's absolutely fantastic out there, and I think you're going to like it. Our destination. It's all part of the Vale of Pew's. I've got a bit of a map here. I'll just give you a bit of an idea of our location where we are. Basically, this is Alton Barnes. Wonderful countryside. So let's go and enjoy it. This is going to be a bit of a walk. It's about half a mile, maybe a bit less, maybe about a third of a mile. We're going to be walking up towards the hill on the horizon there, and there you can really have a good view of the whole surroundings. You can see Salisbury Plain. I think on a good day you can even see Devizes, which is going to be further over to the west, about 10 or 15 miles I think. But this is one of the highest points in the county of Wiltshire. I think there's one just outside Swindon which might be slightly higher. It's lovely, that hill behind us over there. That's amazing. I remember seeing a video some years ago of a bunch of ufologists were kind of calling down the aliens, if you like. A bit strange, a bit far-fetched perhaps, or is it? Or is it? Who knows? Yes, many quite prominent people over the years have claimed to have seen flying discs and flying saucers, even been abducted by aliens. Who knows? Yes, sometimes truth can be stranger than fiction. That's Wiltshire for you. That is Wiltshire. Amazing. Bit of a fly around. It's a bit blowy up here, so I do apologise for that. A bit of a look at the White Horse at Alton Barnes. Sorry about the wind noise. It's a bit extreme, I know. There we go. And that's your White Horse there, people. White Horse at Alton Barnes. Incredible. I'm not sure if that's the oldest White Horse in Wiltshire. There is several more in the county, and I think the oldest one possibly would be a place called Hackpen Hill, which is on the same row of hills as this one is, and it's about maybe 8-9 miles from here, I think, but that'd be for another video another day, I think. But anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, like and consider subscribing. And if you like content like this, then this is probably a good channel to come to, because my videos they're very eclectic. You know, I could be doing one thing one day, something totally different another day. It's not always the same thing, because life is never the same, is it? But life is life, and it's not always, you know, a bed of roses. It's not always excitement. Life generally for most people is quite mundane and boring, and if my little videos help to somehow lift your day, which is what I'm trying to do, and document my life so that my grandchildren can see me in years to come when I'm no longer here, then yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye for now.